Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Voice and signing in with your Google account. This links your identity so recipients see your chosen caller ID. Once signed in, verify the phone number you'll use for forwarding. This lets Google route calls to your device. Next, choose or confirm a Google Voice number. This is the number people will dial. Make sure notifications and microphone permission are allowed so calls connect and audio flows properly. Then tap the dial icon to begin. Now you place the call. Tap the dial pad, type a number, or pick a contact. Speed dial saves time. Before calling, check the caller ID setting so the right Google Voice number displays. This prevents confusion for recipients. If you're on a weak signal, switch to Wi-Fi calling or ensure mobile data is active for clearer audio. Also confirm call forwarding rules and voicemail settings so incoming responses and missed call handling match how you want to use the service. To finish, tap End and review the call log or voicemail to confirm the interaction. Google Voice stores these for later reference. If you hit problems, first make sure the app has microphone permission and your device is online. Poor network or blocked ports often cause failures. Once done, test a short call. If issues persist, clear the app cache or sign out and relink your number. This resolves most configuration hangups and restores normal calling behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.